Good leaders are made, not born. If you have the desire and willpower, you can become an effective leader. Good leaders develop through a never-ending process of self-study, education, training, and experience. Serving as an officer or director in the association or MLS is a great place to gain leadership experience. For realtor organizations promote the ideals of service, leadership, while helping Williamsburg Realtors with skill development and growth. The board of directors sets strategic direction, implements policies, approves budgets, supports committee activities, and oversees the chief executive staff. I know you will accept these responsibilities with a desire to see the association and multiple listing service has a successful and rewarding year by providing superior membership experiences in 2023. Thank you for stepping up to play this important role. It's my pleasure to formally install each of you to the position to which you have been elected or appointed. All, please raise your right hand as I read the oath of office. Fred, you have been elected president of the Williamsburg Realtors, and Tia, you are appointed president of the Williamsburg Multiple Listing Service by the association's board of directors. Through the election and appointment process, members have demonstrated their faith in your leadership and ability to carry out the duties of the highest office of the organization. They have recognized your loyalty to strategic purposes of the association, your dedication to upholding the bylaws and policies of the national, state, and local realtor entities. You will carry out these duties through volunteer help of the board of directors, committees, and executive staff who will look to you for guidance. Do you accept these responsibilities and promise to fulfill to the best of your ability the duties of president? If so, answer, I do.
I do.
Presidents, officers, and directors, do you solemnly and sincerely promise and swear that you will administer the office to which you have been elected to the best of your ability and judgment in conformity with the governing documents of the Williamsburg Realtors, Virginia Realtors, and National Association of Realtors? Do you faithfully pledge that you will observe and enforce the Realtor Code of Ethics, that you will advance and protect real property rights on American soil for all people, that you will work to create an environment favorable to real estate, that you will, in your acts, be governed by the principles of honesty, justice, and fair play, that you will endeavor in every manner possible to promote and safeguard the best interests of the Realtor brand and family, its clients, customers it serves, and the community at large. If you do so pledge, please respond by saying, I do.
I do.
I hereby proclaim each of you duly elected and officially installed as the 2023 officers and directors of the Williamsburg Board of Realtors, the Williamsburg Multiple Listing Service. Congratulations to all of you. I congratulate the excellent board of directors and officers installed on this day and wish them the most successful year. Thanks to everyone for stepping into your leadership roles, and I have great confidence in the association membership that they will greatly support these fine leaders. Now, at this time, in accordance with 66 years of tradition, the association and MLS past presidents have gathered around and stand in unity and in order of service. At this time, I ask each of you to pass the gavel down to Fred and Tia. Ladies and gentlemen, the president's gavels have been passed down from one leader to another. And we continue the tradition today as we pass the symbol of leadership to our new 2023 Association President, Fred Smith, and MLS President, Tia Stanley. Congratulations, Tia and Fred. I wish you a successful and rewarding year.
Hi, I'm Tia Stanley with RE/MAX Capital and your 2023 Williamsburg MLS President. Being a realtor for 16 plus years has been very rewarding. And like you, I understand our industry is quickly and constantly evolving. It's imperative that we remain on the leading edge and not the bleeding edge. What we are calling MLS, overlap disorder, is a distinct concern for all of us, not just in Williamsburg, but across the entire region. You should know that your board is all aware and proactively seeking a resolution to this complex issue, understanding there is no easy or quick fix answer. As a member of leadership, my intent is to engage more members in work groups, quick action teams, and roundtables, taking full advantage of the vast experience and knowledge we need from each of you to keep us strong and viable. Thank you for the opportunity to serve you in the coming year. Those of you who have not yet served, please consider a contribution of your time. We need all hands on deck. Thank you.
Greetings. Fred Smith here, your 2023 President of the Williamsburg REALTORS Board of Directors. I wanted to take a brief moment to first let everyone know how honored I am to be able to serve you this coming year. I've got some big shoes to fill, but I know I'm up to the task. Looking ahead to 2023, the Realtor organization has some tough challenges. Between the class action lawsuits, ongoing litigation with the Department of Justice, and other disruptors, the industry is under fire. But I want each of you to know that your 2023 leaders are staying informed with the latest news and information and are ready to act and notify you when necessary. Second, professionalism and education have always been important elements of my career in real estate, and I want to continue to build on the Williamsburg REALTORS' strong track record of providing educational opportunities which are engaging, relevant, and taught by a team of top-notch instructors. Our instructors are local professionals as well, working in the greater Williamsburg market themselves. Check out our website for a current listing of free educational opportunities. And finally, I plan to place an emphasis on communication. As an organization, we've made huge strides on finding new and improved ways to communicate with our membership, whether it be via email, text, or now social media. All this is in an effort to keep everyone involved, informed, and engaged, and to provide you with ways to service your clients and the consumer to better demonstrate our value. As we head into the new year, I want everyone to know that I'm always available to answer any questions or address any issues or concerns you may have. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me anytime. I want to wish each of you and your families a very happy holiday season, and thank you again for your support, and I look forward to serving you in 2023.